12 reasons why Sigma females and Sigma males enjoy being alone. Number 1. It is a time for them to recharge. While Sigmas have no problem engaging with other people, you will often find them alone, whether at their home or just quietly reading somewhere. There are a myriad of reasons why Sigmas seek solitude, but one of the reasons they do is that they need this time to recharge. Most Sigmas feel drained from social interactions. These interactions leave them feeling tired, lethargic, and unable to perform at the best of their abilities. That's why they love their alone time, as it is a time for them to recharge and face the day. Number 2. It gives them time and space to contemplate. One of the reasons for Sigma's successes is their continuous appraisal of themselves and everything around them. They can pick out the best and worst of a person or situation in order to achieve their goals. They are able to sort through the noise and pinpoint whatever it is they need to focus on. Of course, it is virtually impossible to do all of these things if they are constantly surrounded by the noise and chatter of other people. Some quiet alone time is the perfect situation for Sigmas to think over how they can reach their goals, whether it's an external goal at work or an internal goal like self-improvement. Number 3. It boosts their creativity. Depending on the person, being alone can make or break a person. For Sigmas, quiet solitude is the perfect time to embark on a creative project. The absence of distractions from other people allows them to focus on whatever project they are working on. After all, there's a reason why many writers and artists go to a secluded cabin to finish their next masterpiece. Other than the distractions, being alone also gets rid of the negative opinions of others. When Sigmas are alone, they are free to try out whatever ideas they have without being stifled by the judgments of others. Number 4. It calms them down and gives them a sense of peace. Sigmas know that they can only begin the day right when they start with a calm and peaceful mindset. In this state, they will make better decisions and can avoid rushing into things. There are many ways to calm down, but Sigmas quickly learn that they can only reach a calm state of mind when they are truly alone. When they leave the noisy world outside, they can take a breath, clear their mind and think clearly. Even though calming activities can be shared with other people, like yoga or art therapy, they would rather do these activities alone, to truly reach that state of mind. Number 5. It increases their independence. Sigma males and females are known for their independence and self-reliance. While some of that independence is inherent to their personalities, the rest comes from spending many, many hours alone. Being alone forces them to rely on themselves and not on other people. But it goes beyond just accomplishing tasks on their own. By spending a significant portion of their lives by themselves, they also are not exposed to other people's opinions and thinking. As social creatures, humans tend to mimic the habits and opinions of the people around them. When Sigmas are alone, they are free from peer pressure and can establish their own opinions and morals, making them truly independent. Number 6. It improves their relationship. While Sigmas aren't known for having a large social group, the relationships they do forge are some of the strongest relationships that anyone could have. Sigmas are selective in their relationships, and even when they do embark on one, they might still limit their face-to-face time with their new partner or friend. That's because, almost counterintuitively, spending time alone can do wonders for relationships. But limiting their time with their loved ones, it gives Sigmas time to truly appreciate what they have. The time apart lets Sigmas appreciate how much they need and care for their loved ones. When they reunite, they will express that gratitude to their loved ones and it will strengthen their relationship. Number 7. It improves their productivity. It can be difficult to finish a project with constant interruptions. Whether it's other people asking questions or just someone trying to make small talk. When the presence of other people becomes too much, Sigmas return to their quiet space to finish the task at hand. When the distractions of the outside world are removed, especially other people, the Sigma's productivity increases in magnitude. Number 8. It increases their self-awareness. Some people are afraid of being alone because they are afraid of the dark thoughts that might pop into their heads. Because of this, they constantly seek the presence of other people to keep the negativity at bay. But for Sigmas, they need the alone time to process these thoughts, dark or not. By facing them head-on, they become aware of their faults and what needs to be worked on. They know that there are some things that need to be worked on alone, even when it can be painful to do so. Doing this increases their self-awareness and their sense of self. This then helps turn Sigmas into the confident people we all admire. Number 9. It helps them find inner joy. Many people only find joy from outside sources, especially from other people. But finding joy from external sources is not sustainable. It is too easy for this external source of joy to be taken away in one form or another. When they are alone, Sigmas learn to find joy within themselves. While relationships can bring extraordinary, out-of-this-world experiences, there is a risk, however small it may be, that this joy can be taken away from you. When becoming too reliant on other people for our happiness, we can lose sight of ourselves and spiral into a pit of depression. This is one of the reasons that Sigmas use their alone time to find and build their inner joy, so that they can go through their lives contented no matter what. Number 10. It gives them space to be themselves. As part of society, Sigmas still need to follow certain societal rules, even when deep down they want to follow their rebel instincts. Because they think differently from what others expect, they might offend other people with their unique nature. Some people may sometimes be upset by the direct and honest attitude that most Sigmas usually have. This is one of the reasons that Sigmas love being alone. When there is no one around them to judge their actions, they are free to be who they are. They never have to apologize for their actions. They don't have to second-guess themselves and be fearful of the possibility that they will offend someone. Number 11. It does wonders for their mental health. When Sigmas don't have a chance to spend some time alone, it starts affecting their mental health. To face the rest of the world and to succeed, Sigmas need some space and peace. Sigmas are normally confident when dealing with other people, but it can take a toll on Sigmas if they constantly have to be around people they dislike. That's why they need some time to be alone and recuperate. If they never get the chance to rest and work on their mental well-being, it will start affecting their physical health. They might experience symptoms like dizziness, lethargy, a loss of appetite, and more. Sigmas know that their alone time is important to keep their minds sharp and healthy. They know that taking care of their mental health is crucial to their success. Number 12. It is their time to enjoy their hobbies. One of the downsides of group activities is that everyone must consent to the activities they are about to do. The bigger the group, the harder it is to agree on something. Usually, this means one or more members of the group have to compromise on something. One of the reasons that Sigmas love being alone is that they don't have to compromise on anything. They are free to pursue any type of hobby, without having to involve other people that might not be as enthusiastic about the activity. They can put some music on to get in the zone without any interruptions. They can work at their own pace without worrying that they're leaving someone else behind. They can watch a movie in peace without a live commentator in the room. They treasure their alone time as the time where they can enjoy their favorite thing.